Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and I am the Crafty Author. It is pretty late here in Denver, Colorado, but I wanted to pop on and do a really quick video for you all because I have some very exciting news. So yesterday, my channel hit 10,000 subscribers. I am so excited, you guys. So 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I want to thank you all for helping to make that possible. Thank you for subscribing, for sharing, for loving my videos, for all of your positive comments. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you so much. And to show my appreciation, I'm going to have a big giveaway to celebrate the 10,000 subscribers. So here's what you need to do. First of all, you need to see what I'm going to give away because you're going to love it, especially if you're a quilter. If you live in the United States, I will be giving away this Go Me fabric cutter. It is an QUILT Go Me fabric cutter. It comes with 2 dies, I do believe. It comes with the owl die and the owl accessories die. And it also comes with some fabric creative projects, which are included in this. And this is also the little machine. So this is what you get. So this is only available to you if you live in the United States. However, I didn't forget about you if you lived in another country. So if you live in another country, other than the United States, I have a special giveaway just for you too. I will be giving away a $75 gift card to QUILT. So here is what you need to do. You need to go to my website, which is craftyauthor.com, and I have 2 giveaways set up on my blog. One for United States, one for international. I am going to put that link down below in my description box here on YouTube. I want you to go to that. I want you to enter to win. And may the best, luckiest person win. So 2 winners will be chosen. One from the United States, one from another country. So I hope you enjoy this, this giveaway. I'm super excited for it. Don't forget to check for the link down below in the description box. And I will see you next time on The Crafty Author. Keep on crafting. Bye-bye.